Hello friend, do you also like to draw? Okay, stay with us.
Wow.